Hi everybody, I just want to do a very quick run through with you of the new Graphic 45 Fairy Wings mini book, just to show you what it's like inside, because although pictures are great, they don't really give you an idea. So the book itself is approximately, and you think I'd remember this stuff but I never do, 9.5 inches by 7 inches, and what's unusual about this book is it actually opens landscape for a change. So let me just take you over the cover. A little bit different from normal. What I've done here is I've used some special bookbinding linen which comes paper backed, so I'll be teaching you about how to put that onto your chipboard and a few tips and tricks just to do that, because I just wanted a bit of a different look. We've obviously got another beautiful charm from Safi Mel. Mel's matched up these little tiny flowers here so perfectly with the colours in the papers, and we're going to attach that this time with one of the little Tim Holtz ring fasteners which will come in your kit. So this isn't a book for people who don't like fussy cutting. I am afraid that is part and parcel of what we're going to do, although obviously you can make the book with any papers. I think it's a very simple book, but it looks good because of all the fussy cutting that we're going to do. So front cover, if you're having a kit, you'll get all sorts of paper flowers, some little plastic leaves here. There's lots of fussy cutting. There's I've removed the paper wings of our fairy and given her some organza ones. And if you see here, you'll see that actually we've done an awful lot of layering up to make it very, very 3D. So the spine, I think, is about 1.5 inches, and then the back's just plain, except mine's covered in cat hairs. So you open up the book. And what you've got inside is something quite simple, but the papers make it quite spectacular. So here's just a very plain pocket with some photo mats there, which I've layered up. And then here, what I've tried to do on each page is to keep the actual area for photos to one side, so that we've got a gap on the other side, so that we can actually add some layering and some of the fussy cut images, because these papers just lend themselves to that. So on each page you'll see that actually we've covered a lot of the backing paper with a lot of the fussy cut images. So the book itself, we've got here these pull-outs where we would have space for photos, etc. Very simple closure here. And then in between each page we've got our pull-outs for photo mats. Okay, we open up then this page, which I think is probably my favourite if I'm being honest. Just pop that back in. It would help if I wasn't holding it, and once again, like I said, I've tried to keep it so that the middle bit is actually using a lot of the fussy cut images, but the area itself for photos would be under here. Okay, so very simple, but a place where we can put our photos. This page, once again, same again, we open it up here, space for photos, the same closure, and then we've got our fussy cut fairy in the middle there. This page, just a couple of little envelopes where we can pop in some photo mats, and once again we've got our fairies, one here with the organza wings. You get 3 pairs of organza wings in your kit, and then finally the back, which matches the front page again with our fairy there, and then the back page. So that's the book. Kits will be available soon. I can't give you any definite date on that at the moment, because I'm not 100% sure when I'm going to be getting the papers, but I'm looking at the beginning of August for this book, which is great because that will fit in beautifully with what we're doing with the Alice book. But watch this space and I will keep you all updated. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.